Hey there, music lovers, gamers, and audio enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself completely lost in the rhythm of your favorite song, only to be abruptly interrupted by the frustrating experience of one-sided headphone audio? We know the feeling all too well. Today, we're going to explore the reasons behind this perplexing issue and find out how to fix it. So let's dive into the common causes of one-sided audio in our beloved headphones. Physical damage or wear. First up, the most common culprit is physical damage or wear. We all know how often we use our headphones, and accidents can happen. Regular use, improper storage, or accidental tugging of the wires can lead to internal damage in the headphone cable, causing audio to play on only one side. And let's not forget about those times we sit on our headphones or drop them. It can damage the ear cups too. Manufacturing defects. Another potential cause is manufacturing defects. Imagine getting your brand new headphones and eagerly plugging them in, only to find out that audio is only coming from one side. This can be due to wiring or driver issues, and if it happens right after you purchase them, it's likely a manufacturing defect. Software or driver issues. Next on the list are software or driver issues. Outdated or incompatible drivers on our audio source device might not recognize or optimize the headphone's audio channels correctly, leading to the dreaded one-sided audio. And don't forget to check those audio settings. An imbalanced audio slider or incorrect channel assignment can be the culprit too. Incorrect audio balance settings. Believe it or not, sometimes the cause of one-sided audio is quite trivial. It could be all about the settings. Most devices allow us to balance the audio between the left and right channels. So before you panic, double-check your audio balance settings. Compatibility issues. Now, let's talk compatibility. While most headphones are designed to be compatible with various devices, there are still exceptions. If your headphones aren't fully compatible with your device, you might encounter audio problems. Bent or damaged connectors. For those with wired headphones, here's a common issue: damaged connectors. A bent or damaged headphone connector can disrupt the connection between the headphone jack and the audio source. If you have detachable cables, swapping them out might just do the trick. Unplugged or partially inserted cables. Let's not overlook the simple things. Improperly inserted cables can also cause one-sided audio. Take a moment to ensure your cables are properly connected. If cleaning the headphone jack doesn't help, you might need to seek professional assistance. Environmental factors. Dust, debris, or moisture can sneak into the headphone's internal components, interfering with the audio performance. Be mindful of where you store your headphones and protect them from the elements. Now that we've uncovered the common causes of one-sided headphone audio, remember, there's no need to let frustration get the best of you. Check out the video link in the description below to fix the issue. And if all else fails, reach out to the manufacturer for assistance or seek professional repair. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.